Alright, what's going on, guys? Lando here, back with one more video. We're going to be doing an unboxing. That's right, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the rugged protective cover Samsung Galaxy Note 9 official case. So this is straight from Samsung, okay? This retails for $399. So what that means is you're going to be paying a good bit of money for this case. The cool thing is you can actually buy this case at your local store. So Verizon, AT&T, Best Buy, those kind of stores, you can walk in and get it. If you're watching this video, there's a good possibility that you're buying a lot of your cases off of Amazon, which there's nothing wrong with that. But for someone who wants a decent, good case that they can walk in, grab right now, this is one of your options. Samsung has a small lineup of cases. This isn't the most expensive one. This is kind of a mid-range, and for 300, or woo boy, no 300. God dang, yeah, it's not worth $300. Forget that. But for $39.99, and then plus tax, you're getting some decent protection. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. This is going to be a pretty straightforward unboxing. I'm actually going to slap this on my phone. So when you open the box, you get a small little pamphlet. But other than that, this is what you get. So I mean, expensive, but very well made. This in the back isn't metal. Kind of looks like it, but it isn't. It's got these grooves for, I guess, added grip. Then it's got the kickstand. So there is some functionality with this case. So there you see, it actually kicks up. So you can actually lay your phone down to watch. Cutouts. Headphone jack. Charging port. S Pen. On the other side, power button. On the left side, Bixby button, volume rocker. Let's go ahead and slap the phone in real quick. A nice rule of thumb is to always kind of start with the more of the button side first. Slap, just clicks in. That's it. So perfect cutout here in the back. It's perfect. I mean, there's really nothing more you can do about it. Fingerprint scanner, camera lens setup, and feels good in the hand. It does. Let's try the buttons. All right, it's decent amount of click. Decent amount of click. I'm not even going to touch the Bixby button because I don't like them. Yeah, really solid case. Actually, I thought it was going to add a lot more grip, or I'm sorry, a lot more thickness than it is. There is some razivity for all you floss fans. You guys can see that right there. So I'd say about almost Slam Boy certified. Yeah, I know I got to get a new screen protector, guys. Don't be hating on me in the comment section. This is just the one that came with the phone. Once I get a screen protector that's worth it, I'll slap it on maybe the dome. Anywho, guys, just a quick unboxing showing you what the official Samsung rugged protective cover with kickstand for the Note 9 looks like. Let me know in the comment section below if you're thinking about buying it, if you bought it, or if there's other cases out there that y'all recommend.